Our 3ds Max file has been optimized and set up to export as a Datasmith file. Let's continue by exporting and importing this file. Make sure nothing in the project is hidden by right-clicking and choosing Unhide All. Next, go to File, Export, and choose the Unreal Datasmith file type. I'll name my file dshouse. I'll create a blank Unreal Engine project using 4.25. In the Epic Games Launcher, choose Launch. Then I'll create a new Architecture, Engineering, and Construction project using the blank template. I'll name this DS House as well. Once the project is opened, we can import Datasmith files by selecting the Datasmith icon along the top toolbar. If this isn't available in your project, you may need to enable the Datasmith importer plugins under Edit, Plugins. When we exported our Datasmith file, the exporter created this uDatasmith file as well as an assets folder. This assets folder contains all of the information about our various objects as UDS mesh files, and we also have all of the JPEG, PNG, and TGA texture files that were used in the 3D modeling program. Make sure that you always keep this assets folder in the same location as the uDatasmith file. Let's select the uDatasmith file in the importer and open the file. Once this is complete, we can see all of the objects have correctly imported into our content browser and viewport. Looking around the model, we can get a clear view of everything. We even have our lights and material selections that were created in the 3D modeling program. If we go over to one of the ledges that had that Datasmith attributes modifier and open the static mesh editor, we can see that the model is correctly using the lightmap UVs that I previously created. Now in the content browser, everything has been organized as geometries, materials, temporary files, and textures. This DS house file with the red bar on the icon is our Datasmith scene file that controls all of the other data. So what if we want to keep making changes to our 3ds Max file? I've moved a couple walls around and rearranged some furniture. It's extremely easy to update our Datasmith file that we're currently using. Same as before, make sure everything is visible, export the file, and overwrite the previous Datasmith file. Now back in the Unreal Engine project, right-click that Datasmith scene file in the content browser and choose Reimport. The importer will now update all of the changed data without overwriting any changes that we made in Unreal Engine, such as files that we moved or merged or deleted. Our optimized model has now been imported into the Unreal Engine project. At this point, we could begin modifying materials, changing lighting, or start adding additional content to our scene from the Unreal Engine Marketplace or from other projects. Next, we'll learn about how 2D image assets should be created for Unreal Engine.